Hi everyone, Jack Kiefer here from jackkiefer.com. Today I'd like to take you inside my admin area of my blog and show you some of my favorite plugins. Okay, and so here we are inside my blog area. The first one I'd like to show you is the A-Links plugin. A-Links is a WordPress plugin that automatically links keywords in your blog posts. So for example, I could create a list of keywords that I want to use and make those active and have them actively link to a website of my choice, or anywhere really. So for example, if I wanted to use my products, for example, Shinglet Pro for a keyword, or Blog Carnival Submitter, Internet Business Blog, whatever key phrase you want to use or word, simply enter that into your A-Links list, and then anywhere in your blog that those keywords are used will automatically become active to the link that you have associated with that. The other thing I like about A-Links is that it will only make those links active one time within each post. For example, if I was using the same keyword several times in one post, it's only going to be active to my specified link one time. That way it keeps your keyword density at a reasonable level. My next plugin that I really like is the Aweber plugin. What this does is it leaves a little checkbox at the end of your blog post where the visitor can check the box, and then they will automatically become a subscriber to your post before they submit their comment. Let me show you where that is real quick. That's located down near the comment box. Here I have it formatted to say notify me of new blog announcements. This is a free plugin that's very cool, and all the commenter has to do is check this box, and then when they submit their comment, they will automatically be added to your list in Aweber for your future blog announcements or whatever the case may be. The next plugin on my coolness list is the Google XML Sitemaps. This plugin will generate a sitemaps.org compatible sitemap of your WordPress blog, which is supported by Ask.com, Google, MSN Search, and Yahoo. This will give you a little bit of an advantage for getting your pages indexed in the search engines. Every little bit helps, really. Okay, this is one of my essentials that I really like. This is the Instant Upgrade. This will instantly upgrade your WordPress installation every time a new version comes out. So for example, if you're going from 2.6 to 2.7, then when you get the notification, you can activate Instant Upgrade. An Instant Upgrade keeps your FTP information on file except for your password. So all you have to do is go into the Instant Upgrade panel, enter in your password, click the button, and it will upgrade your WordPress to the newest version in seconds. Really takes the headache out of it. Great plugin. Lucia's Link Love is another really cool plugin, and what this does is it helps encourage people to comment on your blog by rewarding them with a do follow link back to their blog or website. However, in order to cut down on spam, you can specify the number of times that they have to leave a comment before the link will actually become a do follow. So you could set it, for example, to require the commenter to leave 5 comments before they will actually become do follow eligible. Our next cool link is the Next Gen Gallery widget. This is a widget that I don't use very often, but it's a very nice and powerful widget. The Next Gen Gallery, the last time I used it was when my son Kevin was born back in April of 2008. And you may recall that there was a slideshow there with different pictures of my son, and this is the plugin that I used actually to generate that slideshow. So this is a very nice plugin, and I'll be using this again at the end of this month when I go to Beijing with my wife and son. We're going to be posting pictures on our blog here and sharing it with you of the different places we go while we're in China. We'll probably do that also in a slideshow format too. So we want to share that with you. Okay, our next one is the Odiogo Listen button. You've probably noticed on my blog, at the top of my blog post, that there's a little listen button. It's right here. And this is something hosted by odiogo.com. When you hit the little play button here, you will get this. I was playing this earlier, so it's actually continuing right into the blog. Okay, I guess you get the picture there. So that is the odiogo.com. It also allows you to download podcasts and MP3s and so forth in the format of the blog post. It's another nice thing to offer your visitors, and I really like it. Okay, the next one is the Sociable Zyblog plugin. This is a pretty cool plugin as well, and it actually requires the SimplePy Core API to work, so you want to download both of them. And by the way, I have the links posted below this video where you can find these different plugins that I use. The Social Zyblog edition puts a little bar at the end of your post, and let me just scroll down again real quick, where your users can easily bookmark your different posts here. Okay, the next one I use all the time is TinyMCE Advanced, and this enhances your editor when you're actually making a post to your blog, and it adds an extra toolbar with better features inside your editing area when you're making a post. Let me show you an example real quick. When I'm writing a new post or even editing, I like to have a more robust toolbar than what is located in the default. So with TinyMCE plugin, you get all these extra nice little features up here to really enhance your blogging experience, I guess, for lack of a better word. And so this is what you get with the TinyMCE Advanced plugin. Alright, and this next one is on my essential list as well. This is the WordPress database backup. And of course, you always want to be able to back up your database. I prefer to back it up onto my computer and onto a thumb drive or wherever, because you never know what can happen. Even if you think your web host is quite secure and they do their own backups, you never know what can happen in the event of a catastrophe. It's always a good idea to back up your database. Otherwise, you could find yourself losing everything that you've had for the past few years on your blog, and you'll spend a lot of time in archive.org and the cached pages on Google trying to get your stuff back, and that's not a very good experience. WordPress database backup will save you a lot of time and is just good security practice. Next we have the WordPress hop ad. Now hop ads are relatively new. That's something that ClickBank has, and let me show you those real quick. This is kind of like a ClickBank equivalent to AdSense, except instead of getting paid only 5 cents or $1 when someone clicks on it, this actually works as an affiliate link. So for example, your visitor happens to see Iwanchiwa's autopilot profit method here in the advertisement, and they click on it. It's going to take them out to the website for this product, and then if your visitor decides to purchase the product, then you will get the affiliate commission, because your ClickBank affiliate link is automatically embedded in these ads that randomly rotate every time a visitor changes pages in your blog or comes to visit for the first time. Finally, I have WP Ajax edit comments, and this allows users and of course the admin to edit their comments in line. For example, if you leave a comment on my blog and then you decided you didn't like the way that came out, maybe you want to change something, add a new line after you've submitted, normally that's too late. However, with the Edit Comments plugin, it gives your visitor a chance to open their comment back up before it's actually approved for moderation, so they can modify their comments. So that covers my favorite list of plugins. I know there's a ton of other plugins out there and many great WordPress plugins. Those just happen to be a few of my very favorites that I use in my everyday blogging here at jackkiefer.com. So I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.